What, you skipped the Apple one? What happened?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, this was more of like a, I don't know, like a personal one.
Go ahead.
Because you're talking about Wi-Fi chips
Oh my
in
God! Don't get me started.
Apple
Yeah,
products and how it causes problems, at least in the studio.
Don't get me started, but actually get me started.
Okay. Well, this is a Mac Rumors article about how Apple is going to make their own, like more of their own chips. Probably a Wi-Fi modem one as well. So hopefully,
Well, that says
it can
5G
improve.
on it. Is it gonna impact the Wi-Fi as well, or is it just for cellular?
I guess for both, like just
Both.
networking in general.
Both networking. I need better networking. Yeah, I've noticed connectivity on the iPhones around here to be subpar when compared to some other devices. Apple in 2020 signed a multi-year deal with Broadcom, which was set to last for 3.5 years, which means it'll expire in 2023. Under the terms of the deal, Broadcom supplies Apple with range of specified high-performance wireless components and modules. Apple's growing wireless silicon development team is developing the next generation of wireless silicon. One job listing says, and another, so they're looking for employees to build all this out. I mean, now that they're doing the processors, it makes sense to get into the wireless chips as well. Yeah, good stuff. All right, so current rumors suggest Apple's modem chips will be ready for use in the 2023 iPhone model. I hope those things get a little bit more robust because it's been a bit of a nightmare in here lately.
Yes.
With the wireless performance on iPhones. People are dying. People are thinking about switching phones in here in this weird tunnel that we work in.
Yeah. So hopefully they fix it.